Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 5, Admission of a Partner, Illustration number 25. The balance sheet of Rekha and Mary on 31st March 2018 is as follows. So balance sheet of Mary and Rekha is given here. Now we see here, the additional information also given. Now what type of sum that we have to learn first. Whether it's admission of partner or retirement of partnership or death of partnership, first thing. Then what are the accounts they ask us to prepare, that you have to note it. Now we see here, they share the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1. So the old partners profit sharing ratio is given 3:1. Then they agree to admit Kavita into the partnership firm for 1/4 share of profit. In that case, what they are saying mean, they are admitting a new partner Kavita. So admission of a partner, it is confirmed. So Kavita's future profit sharing ratio is 1/4, which she get entirely from Rekha. So 1/4 share is the new profit sharing ratio of new profit share for Kavita. The 1/4 share profit entirely she received from Rekha. In that case, now what they are saying mean, old profit sharing ratio is 3:1. That is 3/4 and 1/4. 3/4 and 1/4 in the, so that is Rekha is to Mary. Rekha got 3/4. In this 3/4, Rekha contributed 1/4 to who? Kavita. So now Kavita's point of view, the sacrificed partner is Rekha alone, not Mary. So Mary didn't do anything. So now if they ask us to calculate the sacrificing ratio, mean 1/4 is to 0 because she didn't sacrifice anything. Who? Mary. Then Kavita has to bring 20,000 as capital. So Kavita has to bring capital amount 20,000. It will be entered in the capital account credit side. Her share of goodwill is valued. Her share of Kavita's share of goodwill is 4,000. Now see here, Kavita's share of goodwill is given. If Kavita brought the cash for goodwill, mean the 4,000 should be distributed to the sacrificing partner in the sacrificing ratio. Here sacrificing partner is only one partner, Rekha. So the whole amount 4,000 should be transferred to Rekha's capital account credit side. If she brought cash, mean she didn't bring cash towards goodwill. She didn't bring the goodwill. In that case, from Kavita's capital account, we have to transfer 4,000 to Rekha's capital account. Rekha's capital account. Already we know the journal entry. New partner's capital account debit to old partner's capital account. What does journal entry mean? Kavita's capital account debit to Rekha's capital account. 4,000 we have to enter it. Then depreciate buildings by 10%. We know that stock to be revalued. We know that create provision for doubtful debt. That is debtor's value should be reduced. Okay. Now they ask us to prepare necessary ledger accounts and balance sheet after admission. So after admitting the new partner Kavita, how the journal entry, how accounts will be maintained, that is ledger account. So they said ledger account mean revaluation account and capital account we have to prepare along with the balance sheet. Balance sheet is a statement. So 3 accounts we have to prepare. The format is drawn for you, revaluation account, and after admitting the Kavita, the capital account, how it shows 3 columns, Rekha, Mary, Kavita. The same way debit side and credit side is given, balance sheet also drawn in front of you. Now we can forward that first account from the existing balance sheet. The account should be closed. The first one is general reserve. General reserve, workman compensation fund, and profit and loss if it is there. Mean profit and loss account is not given the liabilities. Check it if it is entered the assessment is a loss. It is not given. So only these 2 alone has to be distributed to the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. General reserve and workman compensation fund. These 2 things are reserved from the old partner's profit amount for future purpose. So now the new partner is admitted. In that case, these 2 things based on the old partner's profit. The old partner's profit should be distributed to the old partners alone. So the 14,000 is going to be 40 plus 10, 50,000 is going to be distributed to the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So 50,000 into individual also we can enter, common both also together we can enter it. So if you are going to enter it individually, mean 40,000 into profit sharing is 3/4, 3/4, 1. So first person 30,000, second person 10,000. So 30 is to 10,000 we have to distribute it. That is general reserve. Workman compensation fund 10,000. 10,000 3/4. 1/4 is 4. 25 fours are 100. So 25, 2500, 3, 7500 for first person. The second one 2500. Because 1 is to 4. 1 into 2500, 2500 we used to get it. So general reserve and workman compensation fund is marked. Now these two is going to be transferred to the old partners capital account. Before that we have to enter the old partners balance amount, closing balance amount. Now we see here capital account, old partners capital account balance, that is date is 31st March 2018, or you can enter 1/4/2018, both are same only. To buy balance B by D, that's opening balance 50,000 for Rekha and 30,000 for Mary is recorded. Kavita nothing else, opening balance. Now general resource is going to be distributed to the